Question: are you someone who suffers or struggles with chronic pain? Or do you have a non-communicable or chronic disease that you're living with? If you answered yes, then today we're going to be talking about how your diet and nutrition can affect the pain that you're having. If you want to learn more, keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back, and I'm Patricia, and today we're going to be talking about how your diet and the foods that you consume can have an effect on the pain or chronic pain that you're experiencing in your body. So if you're someone who is currently affected or have off and on symptoms experiencing things like arthritis pain, chronic back pain, joint pain, pain in the leg, pain in the feet, headaches, or any conditions that I'm mentioning here, there's probably a good chance that your diet could perhaps be playing a major role in the pain that you're having or experiencing. So let's discuss what's causing your pain. But before we proceed, just a quick reminder though, that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. So now that we have that out of the way, let's continue. So let's break this down. The reason that you may be experiencing pain from the standpoint of this being a dietary issue is because when or if we eat a diet high in highly processed refined carbohydrates and sugar, what happens is that these foods increase the inflammation level in our body. Though on one hand, inflammation is good for us and is a normal, natural process to help our bodies to heal itself, when there's too high levels of inflammation in the body, it can have the opposite effect and it becomes bad for us. And as a result, it prohibits our body's ability to function optimally. And when the body is in that state of being chronically inflamed, it then leads to pain in our muscles, pain in our ligaments and joints and other tissues. There are many studies that have shown that high levels of inflammation in our bodies contribute to chronic pain, as well as studies have shown that there is a link between chronic inflammation and many common chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, rheumatoid arthritis, cancer, and even heart disease, to name a few. So in this video, we are going to be discussing what are some of the things that you can do from a dietary standpoint to decrease the inflammation in your body. So, number one, the first thing that you can do to help reduce inflammation or eliminate inflammation from your body is to strive to reduce in your diet the amount of sugar you use or consume. What happens when we consume too much sugar is that this leads to kidney damage and other major organs malfunctioning. But the kidney plays an important role in filtering our blood. As such, when blood sugar levels reach a certain amount, the kidney starts to release excess sugar into our urine, if left uncontrolled, which prevents them from doing their job in filtering out waste in our blood. This can lead to kidney failure. Another cause of consuming too much sugar is the extra insulin in our bloodstream can affect our arteries all over our body. It causes the walls to get inflamed, to grow thicker than normal, and more stiff. This, as a result, can cause stress on the heart and damage it over time. This can lead to heart disease like heart failure, heart attack, and even stroke. The next thing that you can do is to try to cut out or greatly decrease consuming highly processed and refined foods. The truth is that when our diet is high in processed and refined foods, they do not do anything for our bodies nutritionally to any great extent, and instead it causes inflammation to develop in our systems. So now that we have those two things out of the way and we have now looked at decreasing those two things that I spoke about, now we can move on to adding or adjusting our lifestyle and diet and now consuming a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods. So let's talk now about anti-inflammatory foods to consider adding to your diet. Number one, Consider adding to your diet fresh fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables have a ton of high quality vitamins, minerals, and enzymes which helps to decrease inflammation that may already be in our system. And by consuming these foods on a regular basis, we will thus help our body to remove the inflammation. The second thing that you can consider doing is adding healthy oils to your diet. Oils such as olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, just to name a few. And thirdly, you can consider adding to your diet a rich supply of anti-inflammatory foods such as those rich in omega-3 fatty acids. And to get those fatty acids, the best place to get them would be from fish such as salmon, tuna, sardine, mackerel, herring, and any other healthy fish. As well as you can get your omega-3 fatty acids from nuts, nut butters like almond butter, walnuts, as well as you can get it from seeds such as flaxseed, chia seed, pumpkin seed, just to name a few. These are all foods rich in omega-3. So consuming these and adding it to your diet will definitely help to reduce inflammation in your body. And number 4, consider adding to your diet a combination of fresh and dried herbs such as oregano, thyme, basil, turmeric, ginger, just to name a few of them. So these are some of the things that you can actually include in your diet to actually help to reduce that inflammation which may be causing your chronic pain. So basically, these are some of the things that I wanted to share that you can start to do to help your body to heal and decrease or eliminate inflammation, and as a result, reduce pain. So yeah, everyone, thank you for taking the time to view this video, and I hope that it was helpful to you. And if you happen to know probably someone who is struggling with chronic pain or any kind of chronic disease, please feel free to take a few seconds and share this video with them. And if by watching this video you found some value from it, feel free to like the video and also consider subscribing to the channel as well. In that way, you can be notified when I upload a new video by also hitting the notification bell. So yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will definitely answer that for you. Once you leave your questions, that I can answer you in the best way that I can. So until our next video, everyone, stay well, and remember, having optimal health is possible. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.